Discover TroLase Foils, Trotec's 0.2mm modified acrylic, ideal for creating high quality labels and stickers. TroLase Foils comes as standard with adhesive backing and are ideal for sticker sheets, trophy labels and many more applications. Thanks to its 0.2mm thickness, foils are flexible, while its modified acrylic construction provides the same great benefits of TroLase.
For best processing results, cover the working area. This helps to maximise the vacuum to prevent thin materials from warping. You can also tape the material down, however you will lose some of your sheet yield when doing so. If the material is not fixed or the vacuum isn't maximised, the sheet can warp, especially where excess powers have been used.
TroLase Foil is perfect for applications like kiss cutting. Using a lower power and a high cut speed, you can cut through the material while leaving the adhesive backing intact. As a modified acrylic, TroLase foils can be easily cleaned with non-abrasive foam cleaners, such as Trotec's foam cleaning solution.
When kiss cut, you can easily remove the cut outline for sticker sheet creation.
The material is ideal for adhering to a range of surfaces, including metals, cardboard, woods and more. Metallic finishes are ideal for trophies and award plaques. The material is sold in 600 by 300mm sheets, ideal for many entry-level laser systems. It is also highly suitable for manual cutting thanks to its thinness, with either knives or scissors suitable, and it can also be processed with digital knife cutters. The range includes various colours and finishes, options for CO2 and diode lasers,
and is 100% UV stable, perfect for outdoor use for a minimum of 3 years with no colour change.
TroLase Foil is the optimal material for applications that require adhesive elements. Find out more and visit our webshop today to discover the range, along with a lot more tips and tricks. You can also watch a video on how to easily kiss cut the material in our tutorial, which is linked in the description.